Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to send large files through Hotmail using Microsoft Outlook. We've all hit that pesky attachment size limit, but with the built-in OneDrive feature, you can send big files with no problem. Let's get started. First, head over to the Outlook login page. Click the sign in button, then enter your email address and password. If you've forgotten your details, just follow the recovery prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. Next, click on the New Mail button at the top left. This opens a blank draft where you can start writing your email. In the draft window, click the paperclip icon or the option that says Attach a file. If your file is larger than the usual limit, Outlook will suggest sending it through OneDrive instead. Select that option. Outlook will upload your file directly to OneDrive and then insert a download link into your email. This way, your recipient can access the file without running into size restrictions. Just make sure your OneDrive sharing settings allow the recipient to open the link. Now, enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and type any message you'd like in the body. Once everything looks good, click Send. Your large file is now shared safely through Hotmail. And that's it. You've learned how to send large files through Hotmail using Outlook and OneDrive. No more size limits getting in your way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more quick tech tips.